Hotmail, etc. So these are basically, the applications are hosted and used over an internet. The second basically would be the PaaS, which is basically platform as a service. In a PaaS, primarily all resources required to build application services completely from the internet without having to download or install software. So when you're developing an application, whatever is the infrastructure that's required to do that would be available on the cloud. The third primarily would be the IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure, basically the providers of IaaS offer the computers, which is either physical or a virtual systems, and all the related service resources to the end users, which is generally on a paid model. So these are the three major models which are typically there. In addition, you would also hear terms like platform as a service, networking as a service. So these are the other things which will also be there. Now comes the primary question of, when you look at it from an institution or an organization's point of view, do we need to migrate to the cloud? I think it's an extremely important step, and as per the CDW study in 2011, in US, only 5% of the US colleges were not considering my cloud migration, which essentially means 95% of the universities were very keen or considering a cloud migration. 29% had developed a written strategy for adoption of the cloud computing, and 28% were in the midst of implementation. The second major study which has been carried out basically states that there are over 14 million cloud computing jobs are likely to be created by 2015. By 2016, it's estimated that 340 million more people would have moved to the cloud through the various devices. And an interesting aspect which I would like to share is 95% of the people who use the cloud probably would not be aware that they actually are already on the cloud. Let's take a fundamental example, emails, which is the public mails which are available. Most of them, a lot of people use it for their personal and professional uses. Second, iTunes, which is basically extremely popular. Facebook and the social media used by millions of people across the world. You have applications which have streaming videos, you have online banking, you have online shopping. So all these are basically applications that